Hello everybody, this is Anjani Kumar, your host from Multi-Cloud for You, and I have with me Gavaskar S. He is the delivery director at Multi-Cloud for You, and I and Gavaskar both together are here today to give this nice demo on the Fifth IR learning platform that we have built. This is a next generation learning platform that we have built, which is a self-service platform, has a global reach, and anyone can do easy learning, and it has a very high earning and ROI. We'll show you how and how exactly it can help you. And that's why we call it a learning platform, which is learn and earn together on this platform. You can do everything together. And believe me, it's one of the fantastic things ever built. You can directly connect to this platform, even if you're looking it from YouTube, even if you're viewing it from YouTube or anywhere, any other place. You can directly go here to bit.ly and the link here, and you can directly link to our platform, link to this video. Or if you are on the platform directly, you are obviously accessing it, so nothing to worry about. This is a free session. This has a lifetime free recording, as our platform promises for every session, every course that happens on our platform. It has a free level 1 certificate. That's another great feature on the platform. You can instantly build and generate and issue hundreds of e-certificates. And it has a free account, and we are also giving you free 400 rupees vouchers for the existing courses, the paid courses which are there on the platform. I'm giving this, handing it over to Gavaskar, who will give you a live training on the platform, and you can see how easy it to build your account, build your courses, all in few minutes, all live and running. That's one of the fantastic story to tell to everybody, each of your friends who want to build courses, who want to share their knowledge, and will love it. I'm telling you, you'll love it. Thank you. Over to Gavaskar.
Hi, I am Gavaskar S, MVP at Alibaba Cloud and Delivery Director at fifthIR.com. Today, we are going to see how to create a course on Fifth IR, the learning platform. First, you go to Google and type Fifth IR, so that you will be taken to the fifthIR.com website. So go to Creator, click register, so that you will be taken to the registration page. Now you have to provide the first name, and I am providing my name over there, and the last name you have to provide, and you have to click next. Now you have to provide your email ID. gavaskar.project@gmail.com. I am going to provide my email ID, and you have to click send verification code, so that verification code will be sent to your mail ID. Now you have to check your mail ID for getting the verification code. Okay, now verification code is received in the mail. You have to copy this verification code, and you have to paste it over the fifthIR.com website. Now you have to type the phone number. You have to type your phone number, and you have to click next. Now you have to give the math challenge. I am providing as 170, and you have to click submit, so that you will be get registered to fifthIR.com. Now you have to check your mail ID, so that one link will be sent to reset your password to your mail ID. Mail is there. So now you have to click this particular link which is received in your mail. Now you have to type the mail ID. So now you have to provide the password, and you have to click set reset account, so that you will be taken to the dashboard, private dashboard. So now it is the private dashboard of your account. Now you can find events conducted by yourself. You can manage your events. If you want to create the events, you can use these options. If you want to add your team, you can use this option. If you want to add KYC detail, transaction statement, if you want to get, you can use this option. You can find the network sales. You can manage your coupon. You can manage the market your sales. You can review the certification which is received by the people. That's all demo on creating a user in fifthwire.com. Now we are going to see how to create a course in fifthwire.com. Now in the Google you type fifthwire. Click the first link, you will be taken to the fifthwire.com. Now you go to creator, you click login. Now you have to provide your username and password. Click login so that you will be taken to the private dashboard of your account. So now I am going to create a course. So you have to click manage solo event. Now you click create new event. So now you have to answer a set of questions. So you have to click start. So now you click next. So now you have to provide the event name, that is nothing but a course name. So I am going to provide a course name as Introduction to Cloud Computing. Already I have designed a course and I have uploaded the video in the YouTube. So now you have to give the event name, and the description you can provide the content, or you can provide the agenda for your course. So in my case I am going to provide the agenda. That's what is cloud computing, advantages of cloud, and this is a description which I am going to provide for my course. If you want, you can change the font, color. So I am going with the default. Okay, now you have to click next. So now you have to provide the topics and tags. Okay, I am going to provide as cloud. It is used for Google search engine optimization purpose. So I am providing as the cloud computing and VM as the tag and topic. Now it is not paid even. I am going to create a free event. So no, I am going to create no. Now you get to choose the category. This category is cloud. I am selecting as cloud as a category. Now the session level I am 100. I have chosen as 100. Now it is recorded. So I already recorded and I uploaded in YouTube. So I provide as recorded. And this is a free event. And there is, I am not going to give the meeting timing details. Yeah, it's a self-placed recorded, so I have to provide yes. And now, yes, you have to provide yes. Now you have to provide the video link details. Okay, it's a public video, so you have to choose YouTube, and you have to provide the YouTube video link. Already I uploaded the video in YouTube, so you have to provide the last, that particular backslash. After backslash, some code will be there. You have to copy that code and you have to paste it over here. Now again next. Now again next. Now you have to click no. Okay, now private Telegram link, it is not there, so you can click give no. So course pricing, it is free, so I'm going to not choose that. Now you can provide, if you are going to provide any content. No, I am not going to provide any contents. Just I am going to provide the course around. If you want to set up the e-certificate, you can click yes. Now if you want to set the level 1 certificate, you can give the level 1 certificate name. Level 1 certificate name you can provide. Now again next, see whether you have to provide whether the certificate is free or cost. So I am proceeding with the free. So there is no level 2 certificate, so I have left it as blank. Then if you want to add marketing, okay, finally you have to accept the terms and conditions, and you can click review and submit, so that now you can see what are the options you have provided for your course. You can see, if you want, you can get it each and every options. Now once you find that all the options are correct, you can click submit. Now the course details, you see, now you can refresh your private dashboard. Now you can find one course in your private dashboard. Yeah, it's the Introduction to Cloud Computing, and now you click Introduction to Cloud Computing. Yeah, you will be taken to the directly taken to the course. You will be directly taken to the course, and directly in your private dashboard the course will be playing. Now what you can do is you can share this course to your colleagues or your friends and ask them to take this course. So the course creation is very simple. Just you have to remember to provide the YouTube link of your video, then you have to provide the description, and you have to provide the course name. That's all. Rest of the thing will be done by fifthire.com. So thank you for your listening. That's all about creating a course in fifthire.com. Thank you.
So let's move on to the next slide. And here I would like to tell you a story why it's called a teacher enterprise, why we are calling it as a teacher enterprise. So if you look at the graph and the chart, and this chart and graph I would like to introduce you all, shows how exactly the numbers actually have rose with the time for the e-learnings. So if you talk about language and casual learning at the base, which is in the red, you see there almost, if you talk about CAGR value, it's just 5 people maybe looking after some courses on the online platform. But now with 2021 and the COVID already is rising and it's already accelerated everything, there are more than 29 people who are actually looking for the course. So it's almost 42% rise in this area. And this is the area we are trying to focus on the Fifth IR, where anyone can come. He's expert. He knows anything specific which he can serve to his customer or his audience, and he can directly build a course. He can directly build a course in a minute and serve it right away. Higher education, we are also focusing it here, where we can define and deliver custom solution for them, which is based on the base engine that delivers Fifth IR. So that serves Fifth IR, I would say. So there were 33 people who were looking for the courses online in the higher education, or the higher education were delivering courses. 33 organizations. If I'm talking about the base number, that if there were 33 organizations delivering higher education courses, now there are 184 organizations. If you talk about in terms of number, there is a 41% rise. Talk about re-skilling and online certification, 93, and it has turned out to 463, almost 38% rise. Test preparation, the platform provides a very nice, fantastic test engine. I would like to tell you more about that sooner. So from 43 it has moved to 515. So almost 64% rise. Similarly for primary and secondary supplementary education, 73 to 773. So almost 60% rise. So online education market is growing like a boom. There's a boom in the area. And I'm talking about the data from 2016 to 2021. Things have changed a lot. If you don't want to change yourself, no one can do anything to you. But with a change in time, you will also have to change. Obviously, many of you are already using Zoom. Many of you are already using YouTube. Many of you are already using live platform. But did you ever thought that how this everything can be organized easily? This everything can be made into some enterprise where teachers have a fair share of the work or the hard work they are doing. They have a life. They have a life of their own. And that's this platform help them to provide here. You can give live courses, live session, and also do recording and sell your recording, sell your content, make it paid, make it private, or you just make it free. If you're going for a philanthropy, no issues. The platform is built for philanthropy at the base. So anyone who want to share some knowledge openly is most welcome. If you want to share his knowledge, and he know that the knowledge is obviously he knows that he can earn from it, he can do it right away, directly from the platform. So that's why we call Fifth IR. We have redefined the learning. We are serving in US, India, and UK. You can join it. You can build your courses. You can take payment from all of these locations. And now we are also live in Singapore. If you talk about our global reach, so it's only one platform which is live, and you see we have covered almost all part of the world. Now almost 10,000 people are there on our platform. And if we have a second, if we talk about our secondaries, that's more than 100,000. So you have a nice platform with a nice reach where you can build and sell your courses, where you can even do your brand marketing, where you can do some philanthropy and many people can get benefited from you even you don't want to sell it. So the way you like it, the way you can use the platform, unless and until it's legal and you are authorized to do that. So it has a global reach, as I said. It's learning, branding, and training opportunities across the globe via strong community relation. Because our platform is built to build a strong community relation, it can easily share it on social media, build a community, engage your community with this platform, and that's how you increase the reach. Digital delivery, everything is digital delivery. So you managing and building event, courses and teams, everything online, measuring a student learning and collecting payment, everything has been made easy and accessible. Believe me, you will just when the Gavaskar gives you demo, you will understand how easy it is to use the platform. It has an integrated knowledge marketing. So launching a new course, product or an idea, why it's easy on the platform? Because you can mix your courses with a free and paid content. You can go live on Facebook, YouTube, and also parallelly on the platform. And you can ask people to RSVP to your platform, take goodies and certificate. You can run campaign. You can do a lot of things to attract your next gen audience who are actually going to get benefited directly from your knowledge sharing. Generate lead and remarket. As I said that whenever some more and more people are coming on our platform, obviously when they are doing RSVPs, obviously you are taking their interest out. You are getting their details, and then you can reconnect with them. You can reconnect with them, building better courses for them, getting feedback from them, understanding their real need with the analytics data, and then you can serve them better. You serve them when you serve your audience better, your knowledge marketing and knowledge business runs better. Even if you don't think it is a business, you just think it is sharing. You are just sharing your knowledge. In that case also, unless and until your content is not so good, people are not even going to take it free, believe me. So this platform helps you understand where you lack and what are the things that you are lacking, and you can easily correct it and then reserve your content. Either it's paid, either it's free, either it's for evangelism, for anything. And one more thing I would like to add. So you can generate a lookalike audience. No platform supports lookalike audience at this point of time in EdTech. Here we are supporting you lookalike audience. Lookalike audience is a very important thing nowadays in the world of social media marketing, because your audience are completely different than other audience. They have a different interest. They have a different education level. They have a different demography. They have a different purchasing behavior. They are in a different, quite a mood. Social media has a lot of analytics that understand it. Google has a lot of analytics that understand it. How do you understand your customer? Do you understand it better? That's not possible exactly directly from any platform. So what we do is, like, we'll give you completely secure, completely encrypted and hash data that Google actually need or Facebook actually need to generate a look-alike audience, similar audience for you, where you can reach your audience to the next level, help them market, help them, let them know that you are building something new, you are building something different, you are building a course, you are trying to communicate your ideas, and that can do magic, because you will be able to reach to more better and a rich audience where actually people are likely to take your course, either it's free or it's paid. This platform is built for students. SEO enabled, Google profiling, so it's simple. Anyone can go search any course by simply adding 5th IR at the end. Find me a courses on Azure plus 5th IR. Find me a courses by Gavaskar S 5th IR from 5th IR. Courses by Gavaskar S on 5th IR. Even if you search directly by Gavaskar S or very teacher's name, you will get the link at the first page of the Google. And if you are very popular, you have a lot of already content, or there are so much similar name to many people, Obviously, you can add fifth IR at the end, either with the course or with the person name. You will be able to find the course and directly land the course page. You don't have to go here and there and just do a lot of things to connect to or watch a course. It is a very integrated platform, but when it behaves like YouTube or Facebook or social media. So it becomes easy for your user to connect, land onto your course, take your course easily, and if they want, they can pay. If they want, they can just take the free content and go. Business, manage a team of trainers, support staff, event managers, students, and training program with revenue. So you can do a hell lot of things. It's not just building courses. It's not just connecting with your student. If you are slowly moving or expressing or growing yourself as an enterprise, it's very easy, because on this platform you will be able to manage your team of trainers. You can easily build your team. You can build a team of support staff, event manager, students, and training program. You can launch different type of training program with different type of revenue model. Trainers, build trainer network. You can build trainer network, can add more and more friend as a trainer, who are maybe a lecturer from your college, who are expert from your company, or maybe ex-colleague or a college friend. Launch events and courses together and earn a share from the community. That's also the beauty of this platform, that this gives you the ability to earn from your community. So from wherever you do some hard work, we make sure that your hard work pays. That's very important. Not that someone else taking your money. It's that your hard work is in your hand. And you can go global in a minute, because anyone from any part of the world is connecting to your platform. If your courses have power, they can reach to hundreds and thousands of people instantly. Now, building courses. Building courses is very easy. You just build syllabus, modules, or courses, whatever. With Learning Series, one can handle multiple layers of courses, building right from one lecture to the course that runs for months. So let's say you are running a course for a month or 5 months or 6 months, you can build a complete set of module and a course. If you're just building a 1 hour course, you can do it. It's a nano course, right? So you can build it, you can do it, and you can deliver it. Deliver live or record it. You can set up batches, you can manage your batches, you can build your complete course, module, advertise and accept registration, schedule batches, deliver the lecture and record it. So simple. You deliver the lecture and record it and later turn it as an Udemy-like self-paced course. Nothing can be so easy with this platform provided. You just need a little bit of training. It's very little. It's easy exam maker. So everyone, like whoever want to take the course, right? So everyone needs that. Let me test myself. If I took the course, did I understood anything, or was I able to take the at least 20% or 30% of the crux of the course? So you can set up objective type questions based exam. We are also bringing up subjective type very soon, and you can deliver. You can generate instant certificate once the student passes. You can build a whole lot of workflows which can help the student, which can help analyze the system, that at what percentage or at what percent of the pass mark I have to generate, then issue the certificate automatically. Custom certificate hosting. You can set up your custom certificates quickly based on different events and team. So you can set up 100 of events, different type of teams, keep encrypted record of certificate, and issue it instantly. So every certificate has a unique link. Any of your friend or any of your student takes the certificate. Certificates are meant to bring happiness to the people. When they are happy, they are going to share it on social media. Who is going to get benefited? Definitely your courses, because more people will get encouraged from the success of one of your student, and more people are going to come back and take your course. So that's another beauty of the platform. Virtual event platform. You can host virtual event, create event, accept RSVP, set up brochure and content, easily set up FAQ, test and certificate. Similarly, you can meet, stream, brand and market, integrate Twitch, Twitter, FB and YouTube streaming easily. Be it Zoom, WebEx, Meet or Teams, it's easy to integrate and host the public or private meeting. So that's the beauty of this platform. Another great thing of the platform. You can host virtual event, you can meet, stream, brand and market, everything on the fly, just in few minutes. Gavaskar will just show you how. Multi-layer earning, build a revenue model, learning ecosystem, team revenue sharing, earn from contents, earn from event, courses and exams. Even if you want to make your course free, but you know that you have created some golden contents and you don't want to sell it free, you don't want to give it free, you can just lock that content, that whenever anyone who wants to take that content, he can take the course free, he can take the session recording free, but if you want to take that content, if you want to take the exam or take the certificate, you need to pay. Everything can be done automatically. You have to do nothing. Once you set up, it's going to run flawlessly. Affiliate program, you can build coupons and generate coupons for yourself and pass it to your network, and your network of people can market your courses. You can give them a fair share, and you can also do the same thing with anyone who is doing courses for himself, and he has passed some coupons to you. Similarly, network of trainers, choose a revenue model, build network of trainer, build affiliate program, go global or be local, manage courses of team. So you can also manage the courses of your team. Dynamic payment, so multiple payment options are there, partially free and paid contents are there. As I said, dynamic pricing is there. Bring your own payment gateway or use as is. So it depends upon what type of version that you have choose, what type of subscription that you have used, what type of plan that you are into. It's possible that you can also bring your own payment gateway. You can do your rebranding, do everything, whatever it like, love it. Mobile app. So mobile app is currently live on the private platform, going to be live on the public platform on the 5th IR. So it's an integrated mobile application. Android and iOS, universal experience, announce, schedule, events and shout outs. So everything that is happening on the platform, you will be able to do it on mobile. Bell-based period change announcement. If you are doing it for a school or if you are building it for college, if you are taking this option for college, you can have bell-based period change announcement. You can use it for OTP and validation and later for signal signing certificate, which will save you a lot of cost of emails. Attend classes, browse courses, certificate and take MCQ exam. Separate mobile app, as I said, OTP and event notification, browse and view courses, streaming and videos. The way you see it on the platform, you can do it here. This is the simple flow. You just have to create the courses, invite your learners, course registration, accept payment, stream the courses, distribute certificate and host exam. So stream courses, host the exam and distribute certificate, or simply stream courses and distribute participant certificate. Different type of certificate you can define. You can distribute the certificate just via a code. You pass the code and you're a student, just type in that code and take the participation certificate. If there is an exam in the course, they first take the exam and then take the certificate. Everything is possible. The course streaming is available on mobile, computer, TV, via webcast, Chromecast, and similarly you can stream your courses on YouTube, FB, and do private recording. Similarly, when you invite your learner, there are different ways to invite it. Notify topic subscriber, because you automatically tag everyone with the topic, which their topic of their interest. So you can notify people with that who have already subscribed to the topic that the next course is being launched by you, and they can definitely, if they love it, they will join it. Notify subscriber, easy RSVP, notify via app which is coming up. Similarly, you can do social invite. You can, because every course has a unique course URL, anyone can easily directly jump from Google also. They can do direct Google search and they will directly jump on the platform on your course directly. Similarly, in the create course section, you see add free session, add pricing, add marketing. You can add session and set up topic. You can do a lot of things. So as I said, you can sell your courses. Here you can develop your brand equity. More than 10,000 learners are waiting for your knowledge. Let your lectures help you land your audience and you to the next job. Deliver as an individual or as a team. Social sharing, global access, event campaign, and live stream. When you sign up to this platform, which is completely free, you are going to get a lot of things that I'm talking about. How to start? So simply sign up free. Use YouTube, Office 365 or Drive to record your courses. Upload it there, or upload to our private hosting with domain security and password, and start collecting payment right away. 15 days payment cycle is there. We keep on releasing payment every 15 days. Plans. So as I talked about, we have a free plan, and our paid plan just start from $20 per month or $200 per year. So we talk about free plan. You can host 20 free or paid session and events per month. These are individual sessions. You can bundle them as a course, as a single course, or maybe 2 course or 3 course, it doesn't matter. But individual session of the max 2 hours you can bill for one session. If you go beyond 2 hours, we count it as 2 sessions. Use your own YouTube or video channel. Your content is in your control. You can use your own YouTube or video channel. We don't restrict on that. Host paid courses either using your own channel or via our enterprise partner. We work on revenue sharing model. Start from 2 GB per week for our free enterprise hosting, which is a limit. And as soon as your revenue increases per $100, we keep on increasing the limit. So model is 80-20. It's like post-taxes, forex processing and PG charges. 80% of the amount goes to the trainer, 20% of the to the company, and this is post-tax and all the processing charges is there, which comes below 20%, which is not above 20%. It may average out between 15 to 20% somewhere, with the government GST charges, the transaction charges, the forex charges. Let's say someone pays it from in dollar, and if we transfer it to India and then pay it back to you, or if someone pays in India, we have to transfer it to US. Those kind of things. So there are nitty-gritties, there are taxation laws that we have to take care of, and therefore that's why we say that post taxation, whatever the amount is there, that everything will get reflected on your admin panel, and you will get your fair share of 80%, and the 20% the company will keep. Free content review. What do we do in that 20%? We do free content review. We provide banner edition. If you launch a paid course, we create free banner for you. Social media, paid and affiliate marketing, help in professional video recreation for courses, gaining more than $100 transaction. This means that you have already created your course, but will help you recreating the course at a next gen professional level when your revenue crosses $100 per course. Recorded training material and weekly webinars. We keep on doing weekly webinars where we'll get more and more knowledge of the platform, new launches, any difficulty that you are facing and we need to change it for you, we can do it. Similarly for paid plan. So paid plan, we don't charge anything. After post taxes, forex processing, PG charges, all money is yours, 100% yours. So it starts from $20 per month, $200 per year. Start from 100 free or paid session and event per month. Use your own YouTube or video channel. Your content is in your control. As I said, in the free plan is also there. The biggest benefit is that you can create 100 free or paid session with the beginner plan. There are multiple plans at the top. You can connect with us later on, and we'll describe you more around that. Host paid courses either using your own channel or via our enterprise partner. No fees for hosting. Start from 7 GB per week. So you remember, in the free plan is 2 GB per week. Here is 7 GB per week. Private hosting limit, and this increases based on the plan. Free content review, as we do it in the free plan. Banner edition on paid course launch. Social media paid and affiliate marketing. We do social media paid and affiliate marketing for you. Help in professional video recreation for courses, gaining more than $20 transaction. Start from free help in one event streaming per month. Dedicated support and training. So we also will help you to stream one event per month. And for social media paid and affiliate marketing, we build your complete affiliate and social media paid marketing plan. We host it and we charge it on actual. How to claim your certificate? So you just have to go to fifthir.com, dynaevent.aspx. TID. There is also a hat icon in the course where the video is playing. There is a green hat icon below it that shows certification or maybe you can say graduation kind of icon which is there. You just have to click that icon. It will take you to this page. There you put your name, email and phone number, and then you put this code WTTTVR all in caps, and you will get the certificate. Now,